Kim Yong-ju was a North Korean politician and the younger brother of Kim Il-sung, who ruled North Korea from 1948 to 1994. Under his brother's rule, Kim Jong-ju held key posts including Politburo member in the Workers' Party of Korea during the 1960s and early 1970s, but he fell out of favor in 1974 following a power struggle with Kim Jong-il. From 1998 on he held the ceremonial position of Honorary Vice President of the Presidium of the Supreme People's Assembly, North Korea's parliament. Kim Yong-ju was born to Kim Hyong-jik and Kang Pan-sok in Manjeongdae in 1920, 8 years after his elder brother Kim Il-sung. When Kim was 3 years old, his family moved to southern Manchuria. After graduating from the economics department at the Moscow State University in 1945, where he also took a deep interest in philosophy, Kim Yong-ju joined the Workers' Party of Korea. His rise through the party's echelons was rapid. From the 1950s to the 1960s he was chief cadre, vice director and finally director of the WPK Organization and Guidance Department. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.